In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay out those transfers that have been requested by your clients to pay into their bank accounts. So again, I'm just going to refresh your memory. I did do this previously, but let's navigate over to Betty's area. And let's say that she would like to transfer another $25 into her bank account. So she's going to click into her wallet right here, and then she's going to click transfer. She wants to transfer $25, and she wants to transfer them to her ABSA Bank Limited account. So she's transferring this money into her bank account. And again, we're just going to say that the description is self, and she's going to transfer that money. We're going to request that OTP. Let's go grab it. So Messenger, Outbox, and here we go. Grab that OTP, not the whole message. Navigate back here and hit paste. There we go. And we're going to confirm that and continue. So now that money has been requested for transfer. So in order for me to pay out these transfer requests into bank accounts, I need to navigate over to my transfers section. So let's navigate back to the admin area. And then I'm going to click on wallets over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to click on transfers. And you'll see that I have this pending transfer for $50. If I click into this, I'll see all of the details and the transfer requests. And I'll see that Betty has made 2 requests for $25 each. So we're going to navigate back and we can go and pay out these transfers. So there are many ways that you can do this. One of the ways that you can do this is to pay out your transfers. And when you click pay, you'll then be given the option to download a CSV file. But you can also add a Wise integration. Now, I cannot show this to you in real time because this is not real money that I am transferring around, but to add a Wise integration, what you're going to do is navigate over to Setup on the bottom left-hand side. Then you're going to come to Integrations, and you're going to add an integration. So I'm just going to call it Wise. It's active, and then I want to select the Wise integration from my drop-down here. I would then add my API key. This is an API key that you would get from the Wise app. You would choose your profile because your API key would be correct and not just a bunch of gibberish like I've just put in. So you'll see nothing I do is going to bring up anything. You would choose your account currency, and then you would select which currencies you want to be able to pay out in, and you would hit save. Now, obviously this isn't a real Wise account, so I won't be able to actually show you how to pay out using a Wise account. But if you have the Wise integration, you will be given the option to pay using Wise. So that is one of the things that you can easily set up here within the system in order to pay out those transfer requests. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. But to pay out those transfer requests, again, I'm going to come to wallets on the left-hand side, click on transfers, and I want to pay out these pending transfers. So I'm going to pay these pending transfers. I'm going to say, yes, I want to pay those. You'll see that my status has then changed from pending to unpaid. And in order to change that to paid, what I'm going to do is click on the 3 little dots over here on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side, sorry. And then I'm going to download my CSV file. And this CSV file I can upload to any payment portal. So I can upload it to PayPal, I can upload it to Wise, I can upload it to whichever platform I'm using to pay out to my clients. So I'm going to download this CSV file, and you'll see that once that is done, these are considered paid. So I would then send that CSV file off to my accountant or whoever manages those transfers, and those would then be paid out. So that is how you can pay out those transfer requests to your users.